friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Hello Kitty as a zombie. So first we're going to get started with our bow on the right hand side. So we're going to start by drawing in a circle in the middle. Drawing the bow on a diagonal now, moving up towards the top, we're going to curve this line out and then in towards the middle. And then starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line out and then back in on the bottom. Coming down now on the bottom, we're going to arch this line out and then in. And then again, one more time, we're just going to curve this line around and then back up on the right. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then dropping down on the bottom, let's replicate that again. Now for the ear on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line out and then down. Let's move up to the top of the head, curving this line over. We're going to leave a gap now and we're going to arch this line down and then in for the cheek. Let's close off our left ear by curving this line up and then down on the top. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then in, ending this so it's on a diagonal. And then we're going to close the bottom of the face off by curving this line over and up. For the nose in the center now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. For the right eye, we're going to draw in an oval on the side. And then moving up on the left, we'll replicate that. Moving further up on the left now, we're going to draw in a cut. So we're going to curve this line over towards the top. And then we're going to draw in 3 diagonal lines that come down. For the whiskers now, we're going to curve this line over on the right. We'll move down in the middle, curving that over. And then again, one more time on the bottom. Let's move up on the left now. We're going to curve this line across. In the center, we'll arch this line over. And then one more time as we move underneath. Now let's draw on our right arms. On the top, we're going to curve this line in, arching that around, back in, ending that at the same height. On the top and bottom, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes in towards the middle. And then from here, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines joining that together. For the hand now, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Let's move over on the left-hand side now, and we're going to curve this line around and then back in. We'll draw in a diagonal line that comes up. From that point, we're going to bring this line in and then back out. And then again from here, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes underneath the chin. For the rest of the hand now, we're going to curve this line around, back down. For the neck now, we're going to draw in a small arch line underneath. On the side, we're going to curve this line down. On the top, we're going to bring this line in. We'll draw a diagonal line that comes out, back down. From this point, we're going to curve this line over on the right. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up, back down. We'll bring this line across. Again, we're going to draw a diagonal line up and then back down. And then we'll bring this line straight across again. Moving behind, we're going to curve this line around and then in. For the right foot now, we're going to arch this line over, back up. And then on the top, we're going to curve this line around, down, and then back in towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty as a zombie. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.